ambulances. I mean, the cost also will be like there only.
Yeah. You can
Yeah.
compare the different hospitals. You can compare.
Will it show the nearest bank?
Yeah,
Bank?
nearest blood bank.
And if donors are there, that will show.
You can register yourself.
Where we can register, right?
Yeah, yes, free.
No. Like if you want to give like because we are from HSC and NSS. Will be like
Yeah, here only you can do that. No one you can register. No one you can.
I'll just give you a demo of how things go on. We are live there. See, we are basically aggregators for emergency services. When I say emergency services, you have ambulances, blood bank, majorly these two. Next comes the home care and the pharmacy. So currently we have three services in. You must be using Ola and Uber.
Yeah.
Wherein it is location based, real time you book
Yeah.
your cab.
Dynamic.
you get. The same way we have the ambulance function also working. So now when you click on the ambulance, okay, you can see the ambulances.
nearby.
Okay. Now let me just change the address for you and let me put Jayanagar. Jayanagar food block. Okay, it goes there and shows the
No,
ambulances.
first let him
like this.
download.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this is how things work. Okay, I just go to this is a standard form that you have to fill in.
Okay.
Once you fill this form, you have to enter and select the type of ambulances wherein you can see the ones which are closest.
Okay.
Okay, just have to select them, confirm, and your booking is done. The same way comes the blood bank. You just put your requirements. Say now I'll change to O positive. Okay, I need say positive plasma.
ನಾವು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀವಿ.
So that you can go. We also help you arrange.
We have Rotaract Club as part of Rotaract.
Okay.
And we'll organize like maybe every 3 months from college. We'll be organizing a blood donation camp.
Okay. So in case there is any help from our end, you can get
Sure,
in touch.
sure.
We also help in organizing blood donation camp. Because we have an official tie-up with all the blood banks in Karnataka.
Mostly looking for Red Cross.
Red Cross is one of our partners. So we'll help you in whatever way possible.
Sir,
Definitely. You can contact our call center.
Visiting card.
NCC we do regularly.
Yeah, you can call.
If you can call them or see this is the number for anybody.
If you have any event, you just call.
Sorry.
To every registered person who is willing to get quickest access to all healthcare related services while reaching a hospital or in there or even after that during revival. Just that no 7 services. Emergency can strike anytime, anywhere. So download iRelief app. It is not just an app, but a reliable, user-friendly and caring companion during emergencies, anytime, anywhere for you and your loved ones. Also, you can be a lifesaver for someone in need of help. Many emergencies become critical. Many emergencies become critical because most people usually do not have access to the right assistance at the right time. But iRelief won't let that happen. Being smart aggregators for healthcare services, iRelief makes sure you and your loved ones get quickest access to all healthcare related services while reaching a hospital or in there, or even after that during revival. Ambulance services by iRelief is an easiest and fastest way of booking an ambulance and choosing the hospital that is suitable and certified. iRelief ensures well coordination with traffic police to avoid congestion on roads and also with hospitals for their immediate assistance to the patient on arrival. Not only that, the patient can track live movement of the ambulance till it reaches the hospital. By iRelief, location-based real-time